Hello and welcome to Thirsty Bartenders. Today we are going to be making sparkling sangria. This is a popular cocktail that we make at Hyde Beach, Miami. Guests sip on this poolside all the time and love it. So we're gonna bring those vibes to you. First things first, we're gonna pop this bottle of sparkling wine.
Ooh, I like the way you pop that.
We're gonna pour the entire bottle into our pitcher. It's getting a little excited, y'all, but you know what? Sometimes it bees like that, you know what I'm saying?
Wow.
Wow, we're gonna let it settle down. Calmate.
You get a full bottle in your sangria, okay? We don't play around.
This is not a game. Next, we're gonna put 1.5 ounces of orange vodka. 1.5 ounces of Saint Germain. 1.5 ounces of orange juice. And 2 ounces of simple syrup.
We're gonna be adding a lot of fresh fruit to the sangria. 1/4 cup of raspberries. We're gonna add the juice from 1/2 lemon. 1/4 cup of blackberries. 1/4 cup of strawberries. 1/4 cup of blueberries. And a 1/2 orange sliced up because, you know, we gotta make it look pretty. Okay? Beautiful, honey. Looks so good. Let's taste this bad boy. We gotta get some fruit in there, you know? Cheers. That's delicious.
So good.
Tastes like spring. I just want to go to the pool with this. Okay, bye.
Pool time.
See you never.
You know when you drink and you breathe out and you can like feel the fire of alcohol coming out on your breath?
Yeah.
Kind of feeling that right now.
Wow, you're like a dragon, but a drunk one, a drunk dragon.
Cheers to that.
Cheers.